all you beautiful people. You're watching ModShapes, and I'm Alex Steele. I made a little decoration to hang in the bathroom. Let's get started. And there it is on the wall. I really love how this turned out. Everything came together. It was a perfect combination of a concept, the illustration, doing electric cutting, vinyl, color matching the existing things we already had, using some tiger eye for the eyes, 3D modeling and printing up the piece that is needed to make it totally 3D, and just putting it together and finishing it with resin. Everything just came together so well. I'm very grateful for everyone who stops and takes a moment to watch any of my videos. We only put videos out as time and quality allow. So please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see all you beautiful people on the next one.